Hi guys, this side is CMA Vipul Shah. Today we are going to discuss special rate of tax. First section is 111A, short term capital gain on which estate is paid. Tax rate is 15%. Second, section 112, long term capital gain, normal rate is 20%. And if it is a shares on which estate is not paid, then with indexation 20%, without indexation 10%. 3. Section 112A, long-term capital gain on shares, mutual fund, units of business trust on which estate is paid at the time of transfer. Tax rate is 10% after 1 lakh exemption. Yes, there is a 1 lakh exemption. Number 4. Casual income, section 115BB, flat tax rate 30%. And last one, section 115BBG, tax rate on carbon credit is 10%. And guys, these tax rates are subject to cess and surcharge also. Thank you so much. For more information like this, save my reel and follow my Insta channel. Thank you.